Today on Mom to Mom, we have a St. Patrick's Day DIY for your kids. Today we are making leprechaun binoculars. This is a great craft for your kids and a fun way to go on a hunt for those leprechauns. So what you're gonna need is just a bunch of crafts. You can go to your craft store, the Dollar Tree, whatever you want. You can get some fun decorations for your kids to decorate these. And this is also a great way to recycle those toilet paper rolls. So what you're gonna wanna do is grab a hole punch, some scissors, a glue gun, some yarn, and of course, some toilet paper rolls. Once we have all our stuff together, let's grab the kiddos and start decorating these. What you're gonna wanna do is take your 2 toilet paper rolls and then you're going to hot glue that together. I like to take like a clothing pin and kind of just hold it like that. Once it's dried for a little bit, then you can allow your kids to decorate it however they want. Then you're gonna take the hole punch and punch it on each side. Once you have the hole punched in, you're gonna take your yarn, then you can tie these in and you're done. You've got your leprechaun binoculars. You can take these wherever you want. The kids have a really fun time. So if you go out for a walk with the dogs or in the neighborhood, they can be looking for those mischief leprechauns. Hopefully, moms, your kids will enjoy this fun activity, and we'll see you on the next Mom to Mom.